Okay, so in this question we're given a linear pattern which begins with the numbers 3, 7 and 11, and we're going to be asked what the 10th term in the sequence is. So basically we're given terms 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to be trying to work forward to find number 10, and there's basically two different ways you can do this. The first way is just to do it manually. So if we look at 3 to 7 and 7 to 11, what we're going to notice is that the difference between each term is going to be 4. So you add 4 each time, so you add 4 to 3 to get 7, and then you add 4 to 7 to get 11. And so basically you could add 4 another 7 times, and you would get up to the 10th term. And so you could do it that way, but there's actually an even easier way, which is to use our formula, which I'll write down now. And so here's our formula for the nth term. So Tn is just the term number n. T1 is the first term, n is the actual number of the term, which we know in this case is going to be 10, the 10th term, and then d is just our common difference, which in this case we figured out is 4, because each time we go up a term we're going to add 4 to the previous number. And so I've just kind of labelled all our inputs here for our formula on the right, and now all we need to do is to find the 10th term is just plug in these numbers. So our first term we know is 3, so that's going to be just whatever the first number is in your sequence always is going to be your first term, and then we just add n minus 1, which is going to be 10 minus 1, so n is going to be the term we're looking for, and we subtract 1 from that, and then multiply that by our difference, which is 4. And so if you think about it, what we're doing here is we're just taking the first term of the sequence and we're multiplying 4, which is the difference, by the number of additional terms that we're looking to add on. So if we simplify this a bit further, we're going to get down to 3 plus 9 times 4. And this makes a lot of sense if you think about it, because we just have our first term being 3, then each term we want to find after that, we just need to multiply by whatever number times 4. So we're just going to simplify this now into a number. We're going to find that the value of our 10th term is going to be 39. So that's going to be it for this question.